Alright, here we have a 2017 Honda Crf 250 Rally, and it's completely stock besides this back rack. And today we're going to be putting on FMF exhaust and EJk fuel controller to hopefully give it some more power. So we're going to do some drive-bys with the stock, and then some drive-bys and cold starts with the aftermarket with the FMF. So let's see how it goes. Alright, let's do it. For this video, you're going to need a 5mm Allen key, a 8mm wrench, 12mm wrench, and a 12mm socket. Alright, well, we're going to start with removing all the plastic to get to the motor and the connectors to install the EJk. The reason I can't totally disconnect this is I just hooked a module in for a power to charge my phone or whatever with USB. Alright, I had to disconnect this little breather because I could not get my hand up in there for anything. So we're going to go ahead and put that back on. Alright, now for the ground. Alright, now that the EJk is in, I'm going to be taking off the exhaust. Alright, so you're gonna take your exhaust, make sure that's how that's supposed to be. Slide that up onto the header. There you go. And put your hardware in.